Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today what I got is, this is a fin that is used on an outboard motor. So actually this is the product, is SE300 high performance hydrofoil, and it fits all outboards and stern drives 40 horsepower and larger. And I think there's an issue with the Volvo, so I don't know, but it says it saves fuel and it helps to get plane much faster. And I think it's fairly simple installation. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna center this thing and then we place it till it goes no forward. If you press forward, it should lift up. So that's how this is. So right here is pretty good. And we're gonna mark the holes and then drill the holes and just put the screws on. It's a very simple process, and let's go ahead and do the process. So the option is you can either put the bolts from the top and bottom, but I prefer to put them from the bottom. And it says to put the thin washers in the front and the thick ones in the back, so let's do that. One in and 3 to go. Not a difficult installation. You gotta pay mind what you're doing. Washer on top, pull the screw from the bottom, and just tighten it up. Not too tight. So as long as it's snug tight is good. So this is how you install. You don't step on it. The next step would be I'll put the boat in the water and see how it goes, and I'll share those results with you. So this is a short video. If you like the video, please click on subscribe and the like button and become part of this small YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.